Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair, here with another video for you. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your default search engine from Bing to something very more simple from the Google search engine instead. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into this video. So first thing you do, go ahead and open up the latest Microsoft Edge. If you don't have the latest one, you need to think about considering of downloading it. You literally can just go to msn.com and it'll literally appear by default on the top, so you can download it from there. From that point, all you have to do is go to the right corner and you'll see the three dots. Go ahead and select it, and then you'll select Settings. Once it came up to that point, go ahead and select the Privacy, Search, and Services, and then scroll down to the bottom, and then you'll see the address bar search. Go ahead and select it. And then underneath the search engine used by the address bar, you're going to select from Bing to something more simple like Google or DuckDuckGo. I'm going to go ahead and select Google for it. And now we're going to go ahead and test it to see if it works. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in like flowers. And here it is transferring over using the Google for it. Now it comes to a point that if you don't want to use it and want to switch it back to Bing, I don't know why you would. But if you decide to, then we understand if we want to choose to like Yahoo or the DuckDuckGo, then you'll do the same steps by pretty much going to the three dots, and you'll go to Settings, and then we can select the Privacy, Search, and Services again. Scroll down to the bottom, select the address bar search, and we're going to go ahead and change this back to an example, back to Bing, and we're going to go ahead and test this again. So here I am, and I'm going to go ahead and type in flowers and see what comes up. And here we are coming underneath search from the Microsoft Bing, and it's that pretty much simple. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.